Welcome back to a bi-weekly paycheck breakdown. And this budget was a little harder for me to allocate this money, but hopefully I did well, and I hope that I didn't forget anything because I have a habit of forgetting things, and you guys are going to see one of the things. This is not burning correctly because as you can see, that fire is about to get into smoke, so excuse that. And this candle smells really, really good, but it burns weird. So that's not what you're here for. So this bi-weekly paycheck budget has to last me from November 21st to December 5th. So that's $850. And I do split my $1,700 a month into two. So I have money to be able to live, like groceries. So rent is gonna get $345. Cell phone 100. MTA $50. MTA did last me these last 2 weeks. They last me. I believe I even still have a few dollars over from last paycheck, so that is a plus. So I'm still trying to play with this as much as I can, and then if I go over, I still have a buffer. Medication $3. So I've been forgetting to put away $3 for my medication. I know some of you guys may ask $3 for medication. I am on state insurance, so my out of pocket is $3 for that certain medication. Lifetime $4.99, Prime $7.61. I don't know if I want to continue to stick with Prime. I guess Prime is what, no shipping. And this is the lowest. So if you guys are on Medicaid or I believe Medicare, guys, you can lower your Prime subscription. So I'm just letting you know, you could go into the subscriptions, go into Prime, and then enter in your health insurance, and you'll be paying the same amount, 761. That's only for state insurance that they do that for. And then my brother's birthday is tomorrow, so I will be sending him $50 for his birthday. Groceries, I boosted it up a little bit more only because Thanksgiving is on Thursday and I want to make sure that I'm able to just buy the things that I need, which I only boosted it up, I think, extra $25, which now I have 175. Gifts is $50. That is for Christmas. So I set aside $50, which I already used those $50 up. City card, I did add $50 to make the payment go down a little bit more. And then I have a buffer now of $14.40. And then that is a zero base budget. So I do still have my $12 in my buffer from last paycheck. So I'm going to add these $14.40 to that buffer just in case I need it for anything. Maybe I need it for car fare because $50 for the next 2 weeks is not going to last me. I'm able to have money in my buffer. And this is where I am allocating this paycheck to last me until December 5th. Now, let's go into my binder, which I already have it open. And guys, I still have 10, 15, 20 left over for groceries. And that is amazing. So I am going to leave this in groceries only because, like I said, Thanksgiving is Thursday and I want to make sure that I have the funds for buying the things that I need to make food that day, which is not going to be big because we don't make big dinners because there's only 3 of us here, maybe 4 people. And we're just going to cook chicken wings. I think we're making a penne. We don't do turkey because I don't like turkey. None of us like turkey. And then we might just do a whole chicken. We might make some chicken wings with red rice and beans, like a regular dish. I might do gandules and rice. I'm not 100% sure. Mac and cheese, that's up in the air. Lasagna, I believe, is up in the air. But we're just going to make a dish so it can last us for the next 2 or 3 days, so we don't have to cook over the weekend. So yep, groceries has the extra $20. Household has nothing, which is weird because I didn't save for household. I still have my $10 in my envelope, and then Brooklyn still has his $10 in his envelope. And for Brooklyn, I have to go get him some food, so I might be taking it out of groceries, to be honest with you guys. I might just be taking it out of groceries. Let me just put these $20 back into groceries. So my setup is a little different. I'm trying to do something different to where I am comfortable in my space. So I'm trying to maneuver some stuff around, but that's going to be pretty hard. But yeah, guys, so this is my short, sweet budget breakdown. I get paid bi-weekly, and this is how I am doing my budget for the next 2 weeks. I hope that it lasts. I hope that I'm able to stay with money left over from my groceries and not forget my medications for next month. So I might have to put that down on my list of expenses when I do my budget. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Sorry for the flames that is bugging out right now. And I hope that you guys have a fantastic Saturday, and I hope that you guys enjoy your weekend. And until next time, guys, I see you in my next video.